Sari village is one of the villages in Gunung Sari subdistrict, West Lombok Province, Indonesia. This village is one of 12 villages and subdistricts in Gunung Sari subdistrict. Gunung Sari village consists of 6 hamlets. Each hamlet has different superior potential. I live in one of these hamlets, called Pakel Hamlet. In Pakel Hamlet, there is also a trader who sells traditional Lombok food such as peleting, kale and other. The trade is named Haji Halimah, who sells in front of his house next to the location where the Pakel Hamlet Mosque is located. In Pakel Hamlet there is a mosque which is often used as a place for religious events such as holding competition to welcome Isra Miraj. In Gunung Sari village there is a field behind the old Gunung Sari village office which has now been used as a field for football competition, night market, and other events.